Hi grade sixes, so what we're going to be looking at today is how local government gives people a voice. Remember to have your Google Slides open, you'll follow along and write in the bold words. Again, if it's going too fast, pause the video to make sure you have the word written properly in the blank. Then at the end, you have 2 questions that you're going to answer using the textbook pages that are posted in the Google Classroom. Let's get started. So, it is possible for a federal or provincial government to provide local services like collect taxes and make laws, but instead we give this job to local governments. We use local governments because we believe that people who live in a community are best able to understand the issues that affect their daily lives. So for the federal government, that the politicians and the members of parliament in Ottawa might not have a great idea of what life is like in Spruce Grove. That's why we have local governments, because they understand what that community is like and the needs of the people within that community. We use local government because the representatives that people elect to local government are in the best position to make decisions that are in the best interest of the community, because they've been in the community and they know the community, and so they have the best idea of what that community needs. The local governments allow people to participate through town hall meetings, making presentations to the government, voting, and running for office. So are curfew bylaws a good idea? So you're going to read the introductory paragraphs and viewpoints presented on pages 108 and 109 and answer the questions below. So these 2 textbook pages are posted in your classroom. Make sure you read them carefully and jot down any important information you find. So your first question is, what arguments do people give to support their ideas about a curfew? So for those that aren't sure what a curfew is, that means you have to be home at a certain time, or things close at like a certain time, so you can no longer go to parks after 10 p.m. or something like that. So do you think curfews should be used? Explain why or why not. So consider the information you have read when answering. You need to add detail into this answer to really explain your opinion. If you just tell me, no, because I think it's a bad idea, that's not enough detail. So take your time, make sure you convince me why I should follow your opinion. When you're done, read it over, make sure you check for complete sentences, capital periods, and all of that. Then you can submit.